Hi, this is Greg Sargent, founder of Sargent Strategic Academy here. Now today I'm going to talk about a very hot topic out there, which is how to get your phones to ring more without spending tons of money. All right? Now I purposely started this with try this, okay? Don't go out and spend $5,000, $10,000 your first month. But this is something that I learned living in Utah. I started from scratch my second mitigation company. And of course, I couldn't go around marketing myself and going to lunch with people and visiting insurance offices like we did in Utah. So I relied heavily on the internet for my websites. We had 5 different websites and then pay-per-click campaigns. Now I have shared this with so many guys and even marketing companies across the country. And I've only found one person who said, oh yeah, we do that also. This is a new one. And so I give it to you as an idea to think, and I'm going to give you 5 reasons why you should at least try it, okay? Now, what you want to do, because these cost $40, $60, $80, $100 a click, guys, you know how expensive it is, and you don't want your daily budget running out on, salesmen or people clicking on your ad that are not interested in actually doing any work. So what I do, and I'm going to give you 2 ways really quick. All right, I'm told to keep these short, but then I get these ideas when I stand up here, and then I go more, okay? But what I do right now is I start my pay-per-click campaign at 7 p.m. on Friday night, okay? So after most of that telemarketing, those salesman clicks are all out of the way, right? They finally decide to leave you alone for the weekend. I started at 7 p.m. on Friday night, and then I end it at 7 a.m. on Monday morning. Now, you might slide till 8 or 9 a.m., you just have to gauge the amount of clicks you're getting that are bogus, okay? But in that window, this is what I want to show you. This is going to eliminate so many of those sales clicks, so you're not paying for the sales guys to click on your ads. The insurance agents' offices, and I love you agents out there, so if any of you watch this is nothing against you. I had 300 insurance agents come to my office in Utah when we built our business. Love you guys, okay? But, this is my business in Colorado. But insurance agents' offices are closed. So in Colorado, I was not on the any preferred provider programs. I didn't want to get kicked off any jobs by someone saying, oh, you have to use our people. This will really help you not get kicked off these jobs by someone who doesn't know who you are yet. They can't call their agent and their agent tell them to use somebody else, okay, because they're not at the office. Almost every single one of these water leads that come in and after hours close. Because if their house was flooded at 1 in the morning, guess what? They're not calling around. As soon as they get someone they trust that makes them feel calm and they want them to come out, you're done. You're a good deal. Okay? After hour rates, almost every service that you perform, guys, and you know this, or some of you do. I was talking with a franchise just a while back, and I had to remind them, I'm like, guys, you can bill for after hour extraction. Okay? You can bill for all these services that you perform after hours. They're going to bill 30 to 50% more. So if you do the same job at, say, a Thursday afternoon at 2 p.m., and it bills for, say, $2,000, we'll just give an example, but you do that same amount of work on a Saturday or at night, and you're billing 30 to 50% more for most of your items, that job now is $2,700, $3,000 for the same work. So why not, right? You're going to get a higher ROI on your marketing dollars. You're going to make more money. Now, I told you I was going to share 2 ways to do this. If you've got a little larger budget and you've got some staff that rotates on call, you can do it this way. You keep this set up, okay? But then every night, Monday through Thursday, you set it so it starts at 7 p.m. and it ends the next morning at 7 a.m. So then you're covered every day of the week at night and on the weekends, okay? I was talking with a national marketing company who does, pay-per-click campaigns for people all over the country in our industry. And I mentioned this to them. They're like, that's a great idea. I'd never thought about it. These are guys that do this for a living. This is something I had to work with to figure out with a small staff, how could I take 15 jobs and make $50,000 for the same 15 jobs or $30,000? It's by getting more after-hour jobs. You guys are going to love this. Try it. If it doesn't work in your area, well, stop. But for a lot of you guys, you're going to go, wow, Greg, I appreciate you. I got so many jobs coming in on the after hours, and my ROI has skyrocketed on my pay-per-click campaigns. Thanks for joining me, guys. Again, check below. I've got my website, gregsargent.com. Also, you can go to teachable.com, gregsargentteachable.com, and see others of my courses and material that I've got out there for free. Ways to help you guys get double your after-hour calls. That's the next one we're going to talk about. Thanks again for joining me, and we'll see you soon.